Well, hello everybody and welcome to Larry's RC Room. Hey, today I'm just gonna clue you in a little bit on some future projects that I might have coming up. One of them is I want to do a shout out to this company, a small business. It's called McAllister Racing. They're located in the southern part of Missouri, and they make Lexan bodies. They make some really good, sweet looking Lexan bodies, and most of them are for racing purposes and some others too, which are pretty awesome. But I picked up one of these, and it's called the Hot Rod, classic hot rod body. And man, I seen that online, and this is what I seen. I'll show you a picture of it. Well, I fell totally head over heels over that body the first time I seen it. And I'm going, you know what? I think I could put that on a drift chassis, or even a lowrider Monte Carlo chassis. But I've decided to try to put it on a drift chassis. So I ordered me one, and it's arrived, and I've kind of dropped the ball on getting this video out, because I've had it now for a week or two, and just not had time to do any video for it and give them a proper shout out that they need. So I'm going to turn this camera around and I'm going to let you see what I'm talking about. Right here is their packaging, okay? And this is the Hot Rod GT, the 1/10 scale, 190 millimeters, and it does have a 10-inch wheelbase on it, okay? And it should fit with no problem this chassis, which is a MST RMX 2.0. Okay, there's nothing wrong with the body that's on this chassis at all. It's looking really good yet, you know, but I want something that's more personalized, and I think once I paint this body up, I'm hoping you can see the details, but it's the fat fenders, flared out. It's got the running board steps on it like the old school. A chop top, okay, which is really cool. Split front window on it. It's got the old grill. It's got headlights molded into it, but I got to come up with some kind of headlight buckets. It does have a wing perch built into the body, right here, okay, and it does have a Lexan wing that you can cut out. I'll probably use the wing perches that's on the body, but I will probably also just go ahead and put a wing like this across the top of it, and that will look really sharp. I'm thinking about doing the same kind of graphic theme on it that was on this one with the lions, Larry's RC Room lion head and stuff, and the lions dripping down the doors and stuff. I think, like I said, I got to come up with light buckets for it, and then do the rest of it. But I'm liking it. I like this body, and I like my lion theme that I've got on this Jeep, R35 GT body, and I think it's really cool. Of course, I've got my lights in this already. They're wired up to a 9-volt battery, which is right back here, and all I gotta do is flip them on. I do believe, there they are. So yeah, I've got those lights already in this body, and those come on and off with the body, and so it's pretty cool like that. I've got the headlights and the amber lights or orange lights up front on it too, which is nice to have. There's no battery or nothing in this car right now, so but I'm just trying to show them what I've got planned for it. But anyways, I think McAllister Racing is a really good small business. If you get a chance and you're interested in some not popular bodies, but some off custom body stuff, man, you need to look them up. It's got all your cut lines for it. Here's your rear cut lines and stuff. Okay, comes up, and then here's your front cut lines. They're variable, of course, you know, for your wheel wells and stuff. It's got the old snoop nose front end. You can take this out of the package and I'll show it to you a little bit better. On the back of their body package, it's got the finishing tips and trimming the body, you know, things like that. It also has their phone number, okay, and their email address along with their website address, and that's where I found them at, right there. Very, very good prices on stuff. This body shipped to me was just $30-something, so it was right about 40 bucks. You might as well call it $40, but I'm telling you, it's made in USA. Okay, so it's a USA company. They make 1/10 scale, and I think some 1/8 scale. Some of their bodies will fit 1/8 scale. So we'll take this off of here like so. Doing this one-handed, and get this body slid out of here, just to show it off a little bit. Now, on their site, they've got this body painted in 2 different fashions, or 3, and there it is. Now maybe you can see the body a little better. I'll set it right here like this. You can kind of see the fat fingers on it. Okay, the headlight right there. Got the grill seam in it. Got the seam across the hood. Got the chop top. Yeah, it's good and straight. Ain't no doubt about that. It sets nice and straight and flat. So it should be with no problem to magnet mount down to this chassis. So I don't see a problem with magnet mounting that down to an RMX chassis. I really don't. So that's the way. This one here, I've got it magnet mounted on the front and hinged on the back. So, which is really cool. I actually need to play with this thing a little bit more and practice drifting it a lot more. So, but all in all, I'm happy with the drift car the way it is. I just gotta personalize it a little bit more. And I think this McAllister will set down on that with not a problem. It comes with window tapes. It's got the small port window. I don't know if you can see that very good. There it is. Right there, a little small double port window, split window in the back. Got your side windows, stuff like that. You can see the flares on the fenders. Yes, I think that's going to be really cool. Got a dimple in the top right there that I think is for an antenna. It's more for other things, but on the tail lights, I'm almost sure that I can get away with just doing a strip tail light right through here and a strip tail light right through here on a tape off. When I tape them off, I'll tape off the headlights too and make my own buckets. It does come with overspray film for it, and this is a 30mm thick body. So like saying it's 30mm, it's nice and tough, solid. So it's gonna be awesome. I can't decide what color scheme I want with this, but I'm kind of leaning towards a surprise. I don't want to ruin it for the viewers, but I've got kind of a surprise maybe to come up with on this and see if I can't get that accomplished. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. We're on a goal to reach 1,000 like everybody else is. Trying to reach that 1,000. Let's go 1,000, let's go 1,000. We want 1,000 subscribers. Yay! So anyways, yeah, y'all peace out, have fun, laugh, play, and RCing, okay? I've been under the weather the last 3 or 4 days actually, and had to actually call in to work on Friday, and I still ain't 100%. I'm about running 82, right now, so my focus point and all that is not very good. But I appreciate you watching. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to ring that bell for notification future videos. And like I said, stay safe and play healthy. That's the most important thing.